Hi, Helen. I'm Jane. Today I have promised you to test this machine for you. Okay, now this is your nice machines. We promise you we will make the controller here, right? We will make the nice controller CT8 controller here, and this is one meter small machine with special design for you. Because you just want to bend very small parts. This is our new design structure machine. This machine no touch bar. We just new structure. My engineer want we adjust you. It's better you just bending the small metal parts in the middle place. This is because all your metal parts is very small parts. So we want you bending in the middle. So this is a very nice structure because you tell me your warehouse is very small. So I think this is very suitable for your warehouse. Look at this is our foot switch. This is very beautiful and convenient design for you. I think you can use it. Let me tell you. We have four factor. We have added another Z-axis for you. Please pay attention to this is for the left side. This is for electric, but we not control this Z-axis in controller. This is for the left side stop, right and left. We suggest you, if you bending very small part, we suggest you put one inside and use the middle. We suggest you every time you just bending in the middle place. Because this is the light, less light. This is the left side, right? This is the left side, right? This is left side. We added these two for you. One is for the Z-axis. The other is for the life guide. We added this for you. And last time, this is very beautiful design for you, right? This is very design for machine for you. This is the electric cabinet. Yes. Now I want because I want you give me your metal parts, but you just show me this drawing. I'm not sure I'm right or no. Now let me tell you how to. Let me just test this machine according to this drawing. I'm not sure. Your metal thickness. So I test this metal parts. This is about 1.2 millimeter, but I think your metal sheet may be more thick. So let's bending this part in our controller. Let's test it one by one. For this part, maybe we need two steps. The first step, we already in the controller, but we want to tell you, this is 6 point. The x-axis stop finger is 6.5 millimeter. So it's 90 degree. The first step. The second step is 10 millimeter thickness. 10 millimeter thickness. 10 millimeter thickness in 90 degree. So now we can start. We start to bending this part for you. Okay. It's better, just like I have said just now. It's better we just bending this small part in the middle parts. The first step we will test the 6.5 millimeter for you. First step bending. Now next, the second. Now it's the second. Now let's start the second bending. Okay, we finish the second time bending. I'm not sure this is your meaning or no. I'm not sure this is your meaning to bending like this or no. I'm not sure, but I think yes. Yes. So now I also want to give you some suggestions. Because if you want to bending this metal, the width is very is 6.5 millimeter. So you should pay more attention about the x-axis design in the controller. Factor. Now we already designed for you. For the x-axis, we design 5 millimeter for you. We already designed well for you. So next, because I want to most introduce about you for the machine speed. Let me test the machine speed for you. This is the machine speed. You can check the machine speed. The first time, the second time. Let me test this. Okay, this is stopping. Okay, now we finished for test this machine for you. If you have any question, you can ask us before the delivery. If you want to adjust something about this machine, or you want to have some requirement for us to test the machine, you can ask us. We will test the machine for you and take a video. Okay.